Anything and everything becomes a possibility because of the University of Tennessee's College of Engineering, where the journey to excellence began in 1838 with a small surveying course at what was then East Tennessee College. Under the leadership of Joseph Estabrook, scholars in math, science, and engineering were hired to catapult the growth of what was to finally become the University of Tennessee. Long before 1898, when Estabrook Hall was built to house UT's engineering program, bachelor's degrees in civil, mechanical, and mining engineering were already being offered and coveted. That surveying course from 175 years ago is still offered, only now digital equipment replaces drafting paper. And those other initial courses have become 7 departments, 8 nationally renowned research centers, and more than 100 technology-rich laboratories. 3 degrees have spun into 12 undergraduate disciplines, 16 master's degree programs, and 14 PhD offerings for more than 3,500 students. Our exemplary students will become tomorrow's National Academy of Engineering leaders, captains of industry, world-renowned scientists, and inventors. Our graduates represent more than 24,000 alumni in every state and in more than 80 countries. The College of Engineering's irresistible momentum is spelled with a capital T: tradition, talent, transformation, led by deans who understand the power of our potential. Charles Ferris gained national prominence by founding one of the first cooperative engineering programs in the country. Nathan Doherty ran the Southeastern Conference from Perkins Hall, while blazing an undeniable path for Tennessee engineering that led to phenomenal growth in student numbers, faculty hires, new buildings, the scope of courses, and expanded research. It's no wonder that the college's most prestigious award was created and named in Doherty's honor in 1957. Under the leadership of Dr. Fred Peebles, who became dean of the college in 1968, Fred Brown was hired to increase the number of underrepresented engineering students. Brown's contributions to education and diversity are permanently etched into the university's landscape as the namesake of the university's newest residence hall. After 4 decades, the Diversity Engineering program is a beacon of light to hundreds of students, contributing to the college being ranked among the top 50 universities and colleges in the nation for graduation rates of African American engineering students. Engineers Day is a UT tradition that began over 100 years ago, with faculty and students constructing the road in front of Estabrook Hall. Now the annual engineering showcase puts science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into action for more than 1,200 high school students. And the signature, leading-edge Jerry E. Stoneking Engage program, named for the late Dean Stoneking, prepares freshman engineering students with a hands-on curriculum focused on discovery, innovation, excellence, and teamwork. The extraordinary Tennessee engineering spirit of other deans like Armour Granger, Charles Weaver, Robert Weaver, Bill Snyder, Wei Kuo, and Wayne Davis have fueled an echelon of talented faculty and researchers. Close to 30 endowed chairs, professorships, and faculty fellows have been created by private investments. 4 chairs of excellence, coupled with dozens of more distinguished chairs and chancellor's professors, proved to be a game-changing gateway to inventive teaching and progressive research. Since the 1940s, the flourishing academic collaboration with Oak Ridge National Laboratory has produced hundreds of joint appointments, including our governor's chairs, nationally and internationally renowned faculty whose interdisciplinary partnerships place us in an elite class of premier research universities while strengthening the economic fabric of Tennessee. Whether it's solving challenges involving energy and the environment or designing next-generation robotics, the college's groundbreaking research is discovering solutions for today's most grand engineering challenges. An $18.5 million NSF and DOE grant is driving the creation of a responsive and flexible continent-wide electrical grid. With $10 million in contracts, the Center for Transportation Research is seeking solutions to rebuild the nation's aging transportation infrastructure. The Scintillation Materials Research Center is developing crystal-like materials for radiation detectors that will revamp healthcare and the nation's security. Scientists at the UT-ORNL Joint Institute for Advanced Materials are developing the building blocks for tomorrow's devices and technologies. The Institute of Biomedical Engineering, an intellectual bridge with other departments in UT campuses, is unearthing answers to help the body heal and for medication to be delivered seamlessly through improved medical devices. Visionaries like Min Kao and John Tickle realize these kinds of discoveries and programs that make a university truly great require foresight and even greater resources. The Min H. Kao Electrical Engineering and Computer Science Building and the John D. Tickle Engineering Building are big structures with even bigger stories. More than just physical footprints, these facilities, along with the multi-million-dollar construction of the Joint Institute for Advanced Materials facility on the Cherokee Farms campus, and an additional new engineering complex in sight, allow the newest chapter in the lifelong quest for knowledge and understanding to begin for next-generation engineering students. Steadfast progress continues to propel our journey, and we're still dreaming of so much more, because our distinguished history and dynamic presence has taught us that anything is possible.